Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with a fun, quick and easy project. So I have shared these before. I love Anna Griffin. I love her style. I love her design. I love that it is elegant, chic, a little shabby chic at times. And these are the quickest make-for cards. So lately, they originally sell for $5.99. I get them at Tuesday morning for $2.49. Whenever I'm by Tuesday morning, I walk by to see if they have any of these because these are really quick and easy. And so what I'm going to do is I need to do a little bit of housekeeping first. We had 2 drawings last fall, winter, and with the family deaths, nothing got sent. And we were out of our home, and then our home was taken over. So for the 2 sweet ladies, I have pulled your address, your names, and everything. I'm sending y'all gift cards. I am so thankful that you have been so patient. I think what I'm going to send is an Amazon gift card, and I'm going to send it via email, and that way you guys will have it immediately. We still have undated planners that I will throw back in the mix when I get better organized, but for right now, I do not want you to wait one more moment, and I am so sorry. I'm also going to have a drawing for this right here. So any of you who've been a part of my channel, you may or may not know, but I love friction pens. These are the ones that you can write with and then erase. So I absolutely adore these pens. So I am going to have a drawing for one set of the kind of make and take cards, and then I'm also going to include a pack of erasable pens. So I will talk about that at the end, but it will be fun and there will be a winner, and I'm only going to start doing this maybe once a month, and that is my promise because I've got to get my house in order. I'm still working on it. So thank y'all for your patience, and thank you to the beautiful 2 women that were so gracious to me in such a horrible time in my life. And I am still going to make that one-on-one video with you guys, but shingles have taken over, and I'm getting better. Thank you for those who keep asking me, but I still have on my face, I still have a couple of places, so I'm not good with putting my face on the internet anyway, so I kind of want to make sure that I'm not going to scare anybody. So, alright, so I am going to make one for you guys now. Then I'm going to make another one for a friend of mine who has moved away, and I'm going to send that to her. So, alright guys, so here we go. And the reason why I absolutely adore this set is that it is for friends. There are some that were like Father's Day and all that kind of good stuff, and those are wonderful, but I sometimes just need a card for a friend. And I just went to a crop up in the Dallas area, a Creative Memories crop, and I had to go buy 4 cards because I didn't have time to make one. And I thought, and I went through all my stash, and none of them fit. They were all birthday, Father's Day, Mother's Day, that kind of a thing. I mean, and I know if I get into my craft room, I have a bazillion cards I could use. But right now, we are still not in. So I'm working on the stuff outside. So what I'm going to do, and this is how I do it, is there are 2 like that and 2 like this. And I could look at their suggestions, but I don't want to yet. I know that sounds kind of silly, but I do like that. And I do like that. Oh, I love that. And then, nope, I'm thinking about put that one down here. Here we go. How easy are these? Literally, these are the kind of kits, they give you the pop dots that you will be done in nothing flat. Now, sometimes I put washi on these, but these are really so pretty, I really don't feel compelled to do that at all. You could literally pick these up if you can find them, and if you're on a trip and you're going to go stay with someone, you can literally pick it up, write the thank you, make the card in the car, or that evening when you get there, and then leave it, and there you go, you're done. This is so fast. And again, I wish I'd had it when I was at that crop because there were 4 sweet ladies that put on this humongous crop. It was huge. And when I look at all the other Creative Memory crops, I don't know that I may have seen a couple that may have been as big, but there were 130 women there. It was crazy big. So we had the best time, and I can't wait to show y'all. I plan to show you guys my my pages I made on a Creative Memory, one of my Creative Memories videos. So, okay, 2 minutes, I've got a card. Man, I'm talking more than I'm actually putting it down, right? So, you can do this, I promise. For those of you who don't feel like you can make cards, start here, keep it simple, and make it fun. That's all I can say. I love making cards for people. I know for myself, I have just been so overwhelmed. I still have to write probably 100 thank you notes, and I have to create, and I'm going to create the cards, and they may not even get out until next year at Christmas because it's just been an overwhelming year. So, and that's okay. I mean, you know, look at that. Isn't that darling? Easy peasy. You can also take paper scraps, put them inside. I mean, there's just so much you can do. There's so much you can do with these. I am not overdoing this because I don't want you guys to feel like you have to overdo. So I am just keeping it simple. So anyways, but these are great kits. They are super. You can barely, I mean, I guess you could buy 4 cards at the Dollar Tree, but I mean, really? For this, you get such a nice quality of card. It's a really good, oops, I'm shooting my little papers everywhere. It's a good quality card stock, and you know, it's very nice quality, like you would think we're from Griffin. And then of course they give you the pop dots, and I mean, seriously, this is the way to go. So, and this is a great start to spot, a great spot to start. How is that for backwards? If you're not sure if you want to get crafty, or if you haven't been crafty for a while, or you have sore hands like I have, you know, some days. There are some days that this is what it takes. So, oh no, I dropped my thing. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to move this a little bit. Sorry, earthquake. Okay. Whew, goodness gracious. Sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna move y'all back. Hang with me a little bit longer. We are almost done. I am so sorry. I have a fan going, and so it just takes the littlest thing and they start flying everywhere. So we have had rain today, which we are so thankful for. We have had hot days down here in Texas, and where we are helping with our family members' home. And look, I had extras. I mean, I could have used them all up. And seriously, you want to save that outside piece and just cut it apart and use it. But anyways, what I was going to say is where our family member's home is that we've just listed to sell, water is literally gold there. Without even using the water, being in the home, it is $100 a month. I know, it is what it is. So anyways, we only go over every so often to water because we just can't afford, you know, we can't afford it to, you know, not be in good condition, but we also can't just be crazy either. So, alright guys, that's it. Let me get this mess cleaned up out of the way. I've got that much left for my next project. And that's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here. I am going to come back and do another video where you can also take the same card kit and shush it up. So again, this is Griffin for my friend, and so they literally, oh, I didn't even see that part. Oh, for goodness, she is so good. So look at the insides. Oh, I love that. How beautiful is that? Okay, seriously, I don't know, do we need to shush up anymore? I don't think so. I think we stay with what we have. She does it right. I'm just going to put my other one together and have it in my stash So when I have to send cards out, and right now I've got so many I've got to get going on. But, yeah. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have this same card kit from Tuesday morning, please, please, please send me a picture. We'd love to see what you're doing. Because there's a lot you can do. You don't even have to use these for cards. You could use these for scrapbooking. You could use this for mixed media. I mean, just it's endless, the things you could do. You can make mini albums out of this. Wouldn't that be cute? A cute mini album. Okay. Anyways. Alright, guys. Most importantly, I thank you for stopping by. I hope you're having a great day. I hope your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you be a part of us, and hit that bell right next to it as it pops up so you'll be notified of all the different new videos that are coming out. And I've got lots of craft videos coming. So, alright guys, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so, so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Oh, the drawing. In the notes below, in the comments, please leave the comment of, do you like to make cards for your friends? And so, yes, I love to make cards for my friends. No, I don't feel comfortable making cards for my friends. Any of that, because I would love to know. And I'm just going to draw from everybody who answers in the comments below. And, yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And then I will email you, I will have you email me privately, and then I will send out this darling kit for you to make your cards and a set of friction ball pins. Alright guys, and I'm going to put that right here in my bag so nothing can be lost. It will make it. Okay. Alright guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.